Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds, like this. After the screen turns on and TCL logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Use volume keys to navigate through the recovery mode and power key to select options. Here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, wipe view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off. If you want to exit recovery mode, just select the power off to turn your device off, or you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.